Programming the fingerprints. To prevent unauthorized access to your safe, program your fingerprints immediately when you first use it. This is because any fingerprint can unlock the safe until the fingerprint is programmed. Step 1. You can open the safe with any fingerprint or use the emergency lock to open the safe. Step 2. Press the program button. Step 3. Press and hold your finger on the scanner. Repeat the same process to scan and press your finger 3 more times. The panel will sound twice, indicating that the fingerprint has been successfully programmed. Now, let's try the wrong fingerprint first. Try the correct fingerprint again,